Hey guys, a short update on price of Bitcoin. Well, you see that I have a 15 minutes time frame here because the price action is really sharp and fast within the last 24 hours. And indeed, as I told you guys before, I expected the price dropping below 92,000 and actually $90,000 as well. So we had $89,300 as the lowest point here. I expected much lower, actually, the drop to be much lower. But well, we have what we have, and I don't think that this is the end. But currently, with a local price action, I think we have a very solid pullback with a sharp low shadow for this, like even 15 minutes candle. We have a relatively strong and high volume here, yeah, and also we have the pattern for the pullback being quite typical for the reversal patterns, so for the reversal setups, like when we drop to the certain level, then we reached like a half of this drop, then some consolidation, and then we are going to the area from where the drop starts, and we start to reach the maximums of the previous like a consolidation space. So it's again tested within like $95,500, $96,000, and this kind of pattern is very typical for the reversals. So pretty much same we have here. Again, it doesn't seem to be we reached the whole liquidity pool below 90,000. So that's why I think that it's likely that we still continue to go there. But currently, it's more likely, in my opinion, that first we'll go higher, a little higher. At least we'll break these two. Maybe potentially, as I mentioned before, we go to $100,000 first and only then go lower. There is a still chance that the price continues rallying upwards, but in my opinion, it's not as likely as the test of 90,000 again and going lower than them. Than there. And the drop actually occurred, of course, because as we see before with correlation with S&P 500, we see pretty much similar behavior with indices, and currently the spot is not operating. So we see the pre-market having a similar structure. It didn't go to the area where the drop starts from. So it means that crypto, Bitcoin in particular, performs better, which also is the typical point. But it's not clear whether we see like a firm reversal for the stocks, for the equities. So it means that we have a high chance that even if we continue rallying with BTC, that is just a temporary thing, and we continue lower after that. And that lies along with the same kind of arguments and thoughts that I had in general by looking at the price. So long term, if we check the daily time frame, it's actually still descending. So we have the lower highs, and even if we test 100,000, still it will be lower highs. So we need to really break that maximum. It's really hard to do right now, so we need a lot of to achieve, like breaking this resistance line first, which is again around $100,000. If it happens, then it's possible. Also, we see similar like at least hints for this potential like patterns to occur in XRP, that it was broken to the upside and then tested from the upside and then moving up again. I'm not saying it happens and we go to $4 or something, but the pattern is there. It's presence, and well, what can we do? I would prefer to BTC being doing this kind of patterns than XRP, but it's just crypto. Well, in any case, it's probably a matter of time. We'll see it later, but so far only few altcoins show really bullish signs. BTC is not among them long term, but we'll hope that the short-term price action performance will lead to the long-term behavior in the same way. We'll see about that. I will keep you updated, and tomorrow there will be another video. And for today, that is pretty much it. Have a great evening, guys. Safe trading. Goodbye.